My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volvo V90. This vehicle has done just under 74,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. And on our right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access our applications. This includes our car status and driver performance. On the second page, we have our key features, which include navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our car status. On the final page is our car functions. This includes connected safety, park assist, and lane keeping aid. If we press here, we can access our climate control. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between eco mode for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use. We also have our parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.